Hey guys. Hey, do you know what this is? What that is? I literally have no idea. What is this? It says slime? Nickelodeon? It says slime like a Nickelodeon. Let's go to this box. I know you guys totally saw the slime, but please just act like you didn't see it. Look, it's a LOL bin. Guys, if you didn't hear her, she said, we know you totally saw the slime, but just pretend you didn't know. Yeah. So, here is Lady Diva. Well, that's Diva. This is Fancy. This is, Royal Bee. Queen Bee. And this is Rock Babe. I don't know. Let's open it. What's in here? Dun, dun, dun. What is that? Okay, I'm just gonna, maybe you should go in first. Okay, I'm just gonna take off my shirt because I don't want it to get dirty. Demonetized, whatever. What do you mean demonetized? Whatever. Let me just go in. Ah! Ew! Ew! It's sticking me. I'm going in. I'm sticking. Ew! Ew! Get me out! Get me out! Hey, it's actually fun. No, but it's gross. Hashtag slime video. Ew, 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 ew. Look it, it's all over me. Ew. Ew. Okay, I don't want to go in now. Yeah. Maybe you can use the weapon displayer. The weapon displayer? What? That thing is built out of Legos. There's towels on this side, pink little towels. Maybe you can use those to clean up. Ew. Let me see. This thing is almost as tall as me. Well, it is as tall as me. These towels are way too small for me. Ew. Look at me. Look at my leg. Look at my face. There's slime on my eyelash. And there's slime on me. It's gross. Ew, ew, ew. Okay. Ice skater? Yeah. Why are you wearing broochier shorts? Shirt. I have no idea. Well, I dare you to jump into the slime. What? With your clothes completely on. You dare me to do that? Yeah, I dare you to do that. Go do it now. Ew, I don't want to do that. Just look at it. Pop. Ew, I do not want to go in there. That's gross. That's gross. Just look at, oh, what is that green thing? What is that? It's just a bead. Ew, it just looks way too gross. I'm not going to go in. Do it now, or we'll push you in. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I'm scared. Do it now. Ah! You look so funny. This is not funny. Ew. 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 Ew, ew, ew. Look at me. Ew, this is gross. Sorry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And today we want you to comment down below, are you a slime lover or a slime hater? Bye!